Navigating the world of credit is akin to embarking on an epic journey through a mystical land, where each decision you make carves the path to your financial destiny. Understanding credit. From the fundamentals of credit scores to the strategies for building good credit, the importance of a robust credit history, and the impact of credit on future financial opportunities is crucial for anyone looking to secure their financial future. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring each of these realms in detail. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, the enigma of credit scores. At the heart of the credit universe lies the credit score, a numerical expression ranging from 300 to 850, designed to represent an individual's creditworthiness. This mystical number is derived from the credit scrolls, also known as credit reports, which chronicle an individual's credit history, detailing their financial transactions, debts, and payment behaviors. How it's calculated. The credit score is crafted using a secret formula, with ingredients including payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Payment history and amounts owed are the most potent ingredients, influencing the score significantly. Why it matters. The credit score is the key that unlocks financial opportunities. A higher score can open the gates to favorable interest rates, higher borrowing limits, and a plethora of credit opportunities. Conversely, a lower score might lead one to face the dragons of high interest rates or the denial of credit. Building good credit. Building good credit is a quest of patience, discipline, and strategic financial decisions. Here are the scrolls of wisdom to guide you on this quest. Timely payments. As the most critical factor in your credit score, paying your debts on time is akin to the hero's journey of building good credit. Each timely payment is a step towards victory. Credit utilization. Wield the power of moderation by keeping your credit utilization low. Experts recommend using less than 30% of your available credit to appear financially prudent to the credit score oracles. Diverse credit accounts. A mix of different types of credit, revolving credit, installment loans, can show the credit gods that you can manage various credit types responsibly, enhancing your credit worthiness. Old accounts and new opportunities. The age of your credit accounts holds ancient wisdom. Maintaining old credit accounts can lengthen your credit history, while judiciously opening new accounts can demonstrate your ability to manage credit adeptly. The importance of credit history. Your credit history is a detailed record of your financial endeavors, debts, and payment habits over time. This chronicle plays a pivotal role in your credit score calculation and is scrutinized by lenders to predict your future financial behavior. Longevity and consistency. A lengthy and consistent credit history provides a clearer picture of your financial reliability, making you a more attractive borrower. It's akin to having a seasoned adventurer with many quests under their belt, trusted by all in the land. Recovery and improvement. Even the most valiant knights face setbacks. If your credit history includes blemishes, fear not. Focus on making consistent, timely payments and reducing debts, and you shall see your credit score rise from the ashes, like a phoenix reborn. How? Credit impacts future financial opportunities. The power of credit extends far beyond the immediate. It shapes your ability to secure a prosperous future, influencing your eligibility for loans, interest rates, and even your prospects in housing and employment. Homeownership dreams. A commendable credit score can make the dream of owning a castle a reality, offering access to mortgages with favorable terms and lower interest rates. Entrepreneurial ventures. For those aspiring to forge their own kingdom through entrepreneurship, good credit can be the key to securing business loans and investment opportunities. Employment opportunities. In some realms, employers review credit reports as part of the hiring process, especially for positions involving financial responsibility. A solid credit history can demonstrate reliability and trustworthiness to potential employers. Lower interest rates and better terms. The higher your credit score, the lower the interest rates you'll be offered on loans and credit cards. This can lead to significant savings over time, allowing you to amass wealth and invest in future quests. Embarking on the journey to understand and master the world of credit is an epic quest filled with challenges and rewards. By nurturing your credit score, building a robust credit history, and making strategic financial decisions, you pave the way to a future filled with financial opportunities and prosperity. Remember, the realm of credit is not just about numbers and transactions, it's about demonstrating your financial responsibility and reliability. As you continue on this journey, keep these principles as your guiding stars, and you shall navigate the mystical lands of credit